In just a few moments, I will show you the best way to fill hundreds of thousands of data in seconds in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you ever needed to enter some numbers in a sequence in Microsoft Excel, you've probably done something like this. Enter the first number, then the second number, select them both, and just drag everything down. And this works really well if you have just a few numbers that you want to fill out. But if you have hundreds of thousands of data, you will just have to keep dragging this down until you reach your desired number. And this doesn't get any quicker than that. You will just have to wait a lot to do it. But luckily, there's a better way of doing that in Excel, and it starts with filling up your number. I'm going to enter 1 in column E, selecting it and going to the Home tab, and then to the editing group in here, click on Fill, just under the Auto Sum button, and then pick the series option from here. Over here, we can pick between rows and columns. We want our numbers to be filled in column E, so I'm going to pick columns. The type of growth, we're going to leave it as it is. And the trend box, we're going to leave it untick. Step value is going to be 1. We're going to keep it as that. And in here, I'm going to enter 1,000,000. And when I hit OK, as you can see, my numbers got filled in. And if I press Ctrl and the down arrow, I'm being taken to the last number, which is 1,000,000. And doing that took me just a few seconds. I've managed to enter from 1 to 1,000,000 really quickly, and now I can move on with my work in Microsoft Excel. I hope this trick is useful to you. If it is, please hit the like button so this video can reach more people. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you're going to use this.